The volcanic origins of the Canary Islands and the privileged climate gave rise to a natural diversity which is very attractive to the tourist. For this reason, a communication platform has been developed to promote and summarize the competitive advantages of everything related to nature that is on offer, based on the concept of the energy that awaits you. The platform is aimed at tourists of all ages, whose main motivation is to enjoy their holiday in high-value ecological areas and disconnect from their urban routine. The ideal landscapes are majestic and quiet. The platform is built around its own section on the Hello Canary Islands website and includes audiovisual, photographic and written material with the idea of transmitting the incredible beauty of the islands. It also includes communications, entries in paid media, entries in earned media, and customized emails sent automatically from the CRM system, as well as entries on social networks. So when they are planning their holidays, nature lovers can value what the Canary Islands have to offer and enjoy the energy that awaits them.